1868 registered Jaguar E-Pace. It's an SE R dynamic, so it's finished in Santorini black. It's got black 5-spoke 18-inch wheels. It's 180 horsepower 4-wheel drive. Just take you around the car, we'll see how very clean the car is. Wheels all in great condition. Nice paintwork down the sides. So at the front we've got the daytime running lights and the front fog lights. The aggressive Jaguar grille there. Coming down the offside, again the wheels, the paintwork is in lovely condition. The car is running as we speak. So in the back, power tailgate, reversing camera, very clean, no spare wheel. It's got the tyre inflation kit. The interior, I'll briefly show you. It's got black leather perforated seats, black headlining, carpet mats, Meridian sound system. Memory seats, front and rear electric windows, electrically operated seats, contrast grey stitching, leather's in nice condition. There's a tiny little mark there, that's the only mark we can find on the car. So there we go, leather sports steering wheel. There we see the mileage of 40331. Sat nav, reversing camera, heated seats, climate control. Very, very clean, there's no odours, the car's not being smoked in or anything. So we do offer nationwide delivery, part exchange, and there's also a various collection of warranties you can add to the car. So there we are. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 602222 or visit the website for this video and more details, which is www.thompsonandsmith.co.uk.